Yo guys, what is going on? Thank you for checking out the video. It's Friday night. We're out on the bikes. We got the Sirons. We got a little 70, one-way ride on the 70. We're about to do a ride out. There's a Razor beating up with us too, so should be fun. Woo. My headlight is dead, per usual. It's funny, the 70 I think is like pretty similar in size to my Razor. Alright guys, we're gonna ride up MLK, my favorite street, because nobody could decide where they want to ride. And I love MLK. Plus we can all wheelie up there, sort of like we're doing right now. Seat standard, no handbrake, by the way. Ooh. Hope you guys can see. I hate riding in the dark, but you know, that's what happens when you're in groups. Shit just takes time. Get our swerves in. Whew, even in the winter, in the cold, we're getting after it. Little drop back. Oh, up to the knee knock switch over. I don't even know if that's called from Cole, but he's nice with it. But yeah, guys, I hope you've been enjoying the content. If you saw last video, we did a little build video on my Mazda minivan. So we bought a minivan to haul the Razor and other bikes that we eventually get. So hope you guys are enjoying that content. I'll probably do a couple more videos with it as I put stuff in it to make it the sweet little toy hauler that it deserves to be. The one-way branded bike, you know it. Oh, no foot brake coverage. Man's different. Whew. Everyone's knee knocking. Dude, I love Cole's Suron though. He's got it powder coated, that green thing is like glittery green. It's sick. Let's take our throttle hand off again. Down the hill, there we go. We got Dre up here, aka DTG Productions. Ryan's trying to make that shit throw flames. Oh, there we go. Alright, we're gonna head over to MLK now, so cross the bridge. Alright, we on MLK now. Hope you guys can see. We have the street lights. Oh. Ryan looks so funny on the 70. That must be how I look, except worse, because I'm also bigger than Ryan. God damn, Cole's going off. Woo! Yeah, there should be a little something right here. Alright, let someone with a light get in front of me. We need someone with a light! Muddy. Oh shit. That's my bad. My bad, bro. See if we can circle wheelie it. How's the brake? I just suck at gas bikes now. Ryan on the Razor. Whew, gotta remember how to use a foot brake. We can still circle it though. Almost looped it. Alright, back on road. Like I said, I think we might meet up with another Razor. I think his name is Pierre. He's out, so we're gonna head back towards the art museum. That's where he is, I believe. Ryan pulls it up with ease. Twins. Cole killing it. Yes, sir. Hey, there he is. What's good, bro? Nice to meet you officially. RSF outside, Electro & Co, right?
It looks big in person, dude.
Yeah, dude, the extended swing arm and everything does it. That suspension, man, it's gotta be tough. It blew up? Are you kidding me? Dude. You. You know, dude, now I hope it blows up. That poor bike. Alright, coming up on Art Museum right now. You can hear his foot pegs jingling. Try and take this turn on it too. We got it. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Oh, we got it back through. Let's go. Oh, they have the Christmas Village going on. That's what's up. Gotta do it for the people. Look at the Prius with the orange wheels. Interesting choice, I must say. Heavily trafficked right now because of all the Christmas shit. Can we navigate though? That's the question. Hope no one wants to change lanes last second. Then I'll be squished. Woo! My ass is so far back right now too. I'm literally sitting on the freaking 12 bar. All right, let's put her down. Isn't this beautiful? You got City Hall, you got Ryan, you got Cole, just wheeling. Now you got Connor wheeling too. Excuse me, officers. They don't even look, it's the best part.
I think someone's trusting those brakes.
I know. Maguires, baby. No way YouTube doesn't demonetize this. Oh! You should have seen, from my perspective, Ryan swerve you while you were up doing a seat stander. Yeah. Sketch. Oh, someone need gas? Oh. It's only got zooms on the front too though, so that might be something.
Yeah, I just want to flip it. I mean, you just gotta bounce into it.
Oh!
That's when you like barely have to be on the street.
Yeah. All right, all right. Hey, we finally got to ride together though. All right, continue, bro. Ride safe, yeah. All right, guys. Well, that concludes a fun video. I'm peacing out though. But as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Plenty of videos to come. Get a little wheelie for you. Plenty of videos to come, obviously. Still some more bike stuff I need to install and do videos on, so stay tuned. But I'll catch you next time though. Peace. I would give you the peace, but I can't do a one-hander in a knee knock. I'm sorry, but I'll catch you next time. Later.